Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans. Today I have for you the 2023 Ford Transit Custom. Now this one here is a crew cab and also a sport model as well. This is a 6-door medium van, which is also long wheelbase. And if I do just take you around the vehicle now, you can see that on the interior we do have two lovely leather heated seats at the front just here, 6-speed manual transmission, as well as Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, hands-free calling, voice assist, cruise control and air conditioning, as well as parking sensors and a digital rear view mirror just above. And if I do just show you the 3 spaces at the back, you can see it's 3 benched seats here, which are very comfortable indeed and very breathable, what with this fabric in the middle. And if I do just show you the load area at the back of this Transit Custom, you can see that it is indeed ply-lined, interior lit, and there are some cargoing stuff about to tie down any load you might to carry in the back of it. And also, what with this being a long wheelbase, you do get a very, very large amount of space in the rear, just here, more than you'd actually think as well, what with it being a long wheelbase. And if you'd like to find out more about this van, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk. The link is in the description if you're watching this on YouTube, or you can always head over to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, to discover more about this and many more of our vehicles.